Hey, this is your February Math Blast. A little bit of news from the math department. In 6th and 7th grade, our students are learning about proportional thinking. And what that basically means is they are doing percentages and unit rates and measurement conversions. One way that you could help your child is to just have conversations about how you use percentages in everyday life. When you're shopping using a coupon or taking 20% off at a store, taxes, maybe when you leave a tip at the restaurant, how do you figure out how much money you want to leave? Little things like that to encourage your students and let them see the math in everyday life. In 7th and 8th grade, we are still learning about proportional thinking, but now we're expanding that knowledge into interpreting the unit rates from a graph. So if you look at this graph and you read these ordered pairs, it looks like in 1 hour, we're getting a cost of $50. After 2 hours, our cost is $100. After 3 hours, we're up to $150. So when we're talking about the unit rate, how much is the cost per hour? According to this graph, we're being charged a cost of $50 per hour. Those are the types of problems that our 6th, 7th, and 8th graders are learning. A program that they all have, every student in the junior high, is Get More Math. And they can use this program to practice all of these skills that they've been taught this year. If you go to www.getmoremath.com, the website will look like this. Your child would then go to log in, and they are a student, and they all have their own username and password. Now, I logged in as a student already, and I wanted you to see what the interface looked like. So you can get into Get More Math or ask your child to log into Get More Math. You can see how many points they've earned today, how many points they've earned this week, and this right here will tell you their assignment. Now, you can move between a mixed review and what is assigned for that week. So this particular student has been asked to do a systems of equations. It looks like they're asked to get 7 out of 10 so far. So they're supposed to get 10 points, and they've gotten 7 so far. So they can fill in these things. You can see that the problems can be pretty extensive, where they have to fill in a table and maybe do a graph and answer a question. As they answer those questions correctly, if they get it correct on the first try, they will get a point. If they miss a question and then get it right, it does not count as a point. They have to get it right on their first try. Now, you are permitted to change out of the assignment and go to mixed review. And you can see when you go to mixed review that all of these boxes open up. These boxes each represent a topic that we've taught in the past. So if I look over here, we did a little simplifying. This box might be using mixed numbers. Here we have some solving inequalities, but you can see every box represents a topic. And the colors do mean something. Red are topics that have not yet been really tried very much. If you see a box that is in red, that is where the system believes that your child needs the most help. You can see they also have dollar signs, and only the dollar sign problems are worth points. So while our students really like to work in these green boxes, because green means that it goes from red to yellow to green to black, the darker the color there with the green and black means that they're pretty good at those. And we know that our kids like to practice the things that they're good at. But we need them to practice the things that they might not be very good at, and that's how we get better. So we like them to practice in these red boxes, and as they get things right, it will add to their points for today and their points for the week. So they do have the ability, if their teacher is online, to raise their hand. The teacher is online, you'll be able to do that, and the teacher will know that you need help. If the hand is not there, then the teacher is not online at that time. So honestly, like I said, it's infinite amount of practice problems, which is something that would help a lot of our students. So if you're looking for a way for your child to gain a little bit more math understanding, we can absolutely use their Get More Math program. Thank you.